Imagine the smell of warm, fresh donuts wafting through your kitchen. The sweet aroma of chocolate glaze blending with the scent of freshly baked dough. The soft, fluffy texture of the donut contrasting with the smooth, velvety chocolate glaze. This is the world of homemade chocolate glazed donuts. Now picture yourself creating these scrumptious delights right at home. It's simpler than you think, and the result is truly worth the effort. In just a few easy steps, you can transform simple ingredients into a delicious treat that will surely impress anyone lucky enough to taste it. Begin with the dough. Combine warm milk, yeast, sugar, salt, eggs, and melted butter. Gradually add in flour, mixing until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Cover the dough and let it rise until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, roll it out on a floured surface. Using a donut cutter or a round biscuit cutter, cut out circles of dough. Don't forget to make the hole in the middle. Place the cutouts on a baking sheet and allow them to rise again. While the donuts are rising, prepare the chocolate glaze. Combine powdered sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and milk. Stir until smooth. Now comes the fun part. Fry the donuts in hot oil until golden brown, then drain on paper towels. Dip the warm donuts into the chocolate glaze, making sure to coat them evenly. Allow the glaze to set before serving. So to recap, here's the process. Make the dough and let it rise, roll it out and cut into donut shapes. Let them rise again, prepare the glaze, fry the donuts, dip them in glaze, and voila! You have yourself some homemade chocolate glazed donuts. Creating these donuts right at home adds an extra layer of love and care to the process, resulting in a dessert that's not only delicious but also made with heart. So go ahead, indulge in the art of donut making and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember, the best part about making your own donuts is that you can customize them to your liking. Want more chocolate? Go for it. Prefer a thinner glaze? That's entirely up to you. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and taste buds. So there you have it, the simple art of making homemade chocolate glazed donuts. Now the only thing left to do is to enjoy the delicious result. Bon appétit!